Welcome to the lesson on compound adjectives. Today, you will learn how to use words like well-known, good-looking, and hard-working. These combinations are important for describing people and things in English. By learning how to build and use compound adjectives, you will make your speech and writing much more detailed and natural. A compound adjective is made by joining two or more words with a hyphen. This combination creates one adjective that can describe a noun. For example, well-known means famous, good-looking means attractive, and hard-working means diligent or someone who puts in extra effort. You will see more about each of these combinations in the next slides. The word well-known describes someone or something that is famous or recognized by many people. For example, when we say she is a well-known actress in Hollywood, it means many people know her. Another example is, that is a well-known restaurant in the city. Here, the restaurant is popular and many people have heard about it. Good-looking describes someone who is attractive or has a nice appearance. For example, he is a good-looking man with a charming smile. This means he looks nice and people may find him handsome. You can also use it for things, such as, the good-looking design of the house impressed everyone. Here, it means the house looks beautiful. Hardworking refers to a person who is diligent and puts in a lot of effort. For example, she is a hard-working student who studies every day. This means she is serious and dedicated about her studies. Another example is, the hard-working team completed the project on time. The team worked with care and did not give up until the work was done. There are some helpful patterns with compound adjectives. First, the structure is usually an adjective plus a participle, joined with a hyphen. For example, well-known is made from the word well and the word known. Second, compound adjectives almost always come before the noun they describe. For example, a well-known author or a hard-working team. Finally, always use the hyphen to join the words. The hyphen is important for correct spelling and meaning. To sum up, compound adjectives join two words with a hyphen to make a single descriptive word. They are used before nouns and help provide clear and strong meaning. Some common examples are well-known, good-looking, and hard-working. Remembering these rules will help you make better sentences in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.